Welcome to the Ritter Sport Waldenbuch chocolate store. As soon as you step inside, you are surrounded by the rich, enticing aroma of chocolate. The store is filled with all kinds of delicious treats ranging from classic milk chocolate bars to exotic flavor combinations like coconut, almond, yogurt. The store has a wide collection of chocolates. But not just that, they also have their own collection of t-shirts, sweatshirts, bags and toys. One of the unique things about Ritter Sport chocolate is its distinctive shape, a perfect square that fits neatly into your hand. This design makes it easy to break off a piece to savor or to share with friends and family. We personally love the chocolates here, and in fact, we make it a point to visit this store before traveling to India so that we can buy in bulk for our friends and family. The discounts offered here are very impressive, thereby making it an affordable way to stock up on our favorite chocolate treats. I hope you enjoyed this tour of the Ritter Sport Waldenbuch chocolate store. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.